Hello.
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 Yes.
Please.
Yes, please.
Can I talk to the speaker?
Yes,
Yeah,
please, ma'am.
please, please.
Yes. It is a very good presentation. I appreciate your spirituality and the ideas that you have told us how to be very good in
Thank you,
field
ma'am.
of teaching. Yes, but I have a question. What is the
Please.
attitudinal change that the teachers have to have in these days of online learning? Are the teachers very much interested, or are they forced to do by somebody else?
Of course, ma'am. It is a million question, $100 question for the teachers, because everybody is is working double the time, because face-to-face interaction, because education in Indian context, especially for the primary children, I appreciate the face-to-face learning, but at present there is no other go. Teachers are troubling like anything, because teachers are supposed to handle the family, their children, as well as the school, the professional. So it is really tough. But one thing is leading as all these months, teachers are teaching online with only one, the genuineness of their learning only helps them to teach their students. So their professional commitment is pushing them to do so. I hope this will Almighty will end this very shortly. But the genuineness of every learner, definitely, and empathetically, the teachers are feeling the learners and the parent side. So this is the thing they are helping to bridge the gap, fill the gaps.
And it is nice to know that the faculty of your education department had taken this initiative. But again, I have a question. Since you have taken an initiative to float this idea, have you ever taken an attempt to find out, gauge the performance level or the success level of this courses, or have they approached you for that?
Yeah, definitely we are
Ma'am,
studying, ma'am. Yeah.
ma'am, there are a lot of studies and research works are going on, ma'am, and hopefully in another couple of months we can see the product fruitful answers in the way of journals and reports of research reports, ma'am. It's on the way. It's working. People are working from different institutions. People are working, including Prabhu Shankar sir, I guess.
Yes.
So definitely we will have.
No, it is the education department which has to establish the plus of any approach that we have in our mind for the benefit of the learners. Now that the online course has become an integral part of the entire educational system of our learning, maybe in the future some portion of it will be definitely materialized or mobilized, and it is the education department which has to speak out. This ought to be an integral part of the entire system of education, and during whatever man-made or nature-made disasters, we should be prepared for all the endeavors. No, the teachers have to provide the
Yes,
education.
what you're saying is absolutely right, and thanks for your suggestions. Definitely, we'll work it out. Already, we are working on this. Added to this, your opinion will also added, and definitely, we'll have some fruitful in future. In near future.
Because people are very biased, people are very diffident, and some of them are not at all ready to undertake this particular thing now.
Yeah,
It is the
definitely.
education department which has to convince the other side that this mode of learning should happen or can happen or will happen, and it has its own fruitful results. So we have documented it like that. It's a kind of a knowledge contribution you can do to the society. It is a wonderful performance, and what I'm very happy about it, exactly at 11 o'clock you started, and even I have just messaged it and you have connoted it. And thanks to Prabhu Shankar for all the initiatives to just incorporate this idea. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your support.
Are there any questions from the participants, or shall we close? Anybody?
Yes, sir. I would like to ask a question.
Please, ma'am.
Madam, it was a very interesting presentation, and it opened a new line of thought.
Thank you,
As
ma'am.
usual, we can say it's all old wine in new bottle. But I would like to ask you one question, ma'am. Can you suggest some? You have done a lot of studies in this area. Can you suggest one strategy that can be employed easily in the schools to encourage this pedagogy? Like awareness to the teachers
In schools, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in school, definitely for the learners of up to for the middle school, this is my own my idea, ma'am. For the primary school and for the higher education, high school, there's a two different segments, right? So when you talk to when you approach, when you want to put this pedagogy for in the initial stage of a primary education level, we can encourage the students who are thinking out of box and who are make the students to collect new knowledge, and we can document it. As a researcher, as a social scientist, we can document it. I will tell you one example. I know one social scientist. He is doing it. He is visiting all the rural children and he's asking the children to write stories. And from stories, he is collecting ethics and morals for the value education documentation. So these are the kind. This is a one kind. So like that, we can make the primary children to we can easily identify in the primary group which children is doing out of having a different kind of thinking. So that child, if you motivate, definitely they will come to higher education. And talking about the high school level, to encourage the students in pedagogy, that is, we can ask the children, for example, if science is prescribed in a syllabus for 9th standard, and if you encourage the child to add a new information which is beyond the next level, and child will be more interested, and nowadays all the resources are helping them to do a lot of projects and presentations, and they are getting too much of information apart from the textbook. So in this way, if they started, if we promote them to get more knowledge beyond the capacity of the beyond the curriculum, additional knowledges, gathering of additional knowledges, definitely this will lead to pedagogy, and the learner will on their own they will learn a lot of things, and this will in future this will definitely help both the teacher and the mentor, student and the mentor.
You're absolutely right, ma'am. In 70s, this was casually done. Now it has to be,
Yes.
you know, consciously integrated. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, because the pattern.
You have given idea.
Yeah,
I think one word you have. Yes. Tell me.
No. Even
You
the present
continue,
is after this, I feel that the privatization, like both the sides of a coin, it has a positive and negative attitude. So negative effects, right? So this 2000, after 2000, a lot of new educational policies and higher privatization of education, you can see a lot of differences compared to the 80s and 90s school students and this 2000 and after 2000 school students. This might be the reason, I guess.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And you have covered in one word, professional commitment at every level will ensure any Gaji to work very effectively. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. That is why we all people are here, even in this pandemic. We can do a lot of things, watching movies, watching serials, anything. But our professional commitment gathered us in this roof, under this roof.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Truly.
Mrs. Yugin, there is
Yes,
another
sir.
question from
Yes.
one Mr. Dr. Vasudevan.
Yes, sir.
He has asked how to implement the pedagogy in classroom situation.
Pedagogy in classroom situation of higher education learner, or I think I have cleared, have explained for primary and school, high school students. Even in higher education, in higher education, you can, for example, you can easily, from my experience, I'm sharing this. There are a lot of students enroll for PG courses, but very few come for PhD courses. And even in that PhD, some people will always go and beat the bush like the same topics, and some people will comes with new ideas. If you filter that person who's coming with new ideas and you shape them, give them correct tuning, and definitely he will reach. The only thing is, in my observation, I have find out the children who studied in regional language and coming to higher education, they have the problem in expressing their idea with the right way. So if you as a teacher, we can step down to their level and understanding what they are trying to say out and try to give shape for their ideas. We can promote pedagogy. And one thing, as a teacher, sometimes there will be some ego clashes. These are all the things definitely happens to every human. We need to justify ourselves at every moment where there I am promoting pedagogy, because pedagogy is sharing of knowledge. I'm working for my learner, and the learner has to work for reaching the next level. So this mutual thing will help people in the higher education to promote pedagogy. This is my humble
Sure, ma'am.
idea,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you. There is another question from Mr. Loganathan
Yes,
Ramaswamy. He
sir.
has asked about how will the faculty with no knowledge of pedagogy handle teaching and learning?
So pedagogy,
Especially this question is with reference to the teachers of engineering.
Yes, sir. I hear even I'm also with this. Go with this question because I like this question, because whenever I talk to many of my friends who's settled in abroad and teaching for engineering or medicine, and my friends used to say MEd is a complete compulsion. They have to do a master's degree in education as a compulsion, because it is mandatory to complete that course in Western countries. But here, that pedagogy or andragogy or pedagogy, whatever the thing, that is missing in our scenario. We, as a people of education discipline, we need to work. We have lots of ways to put it into practice of all higher education teachers. This pedagogy needs to be definitely. You can see that teacher who has. I think somebody's talk is disturbing me.
Mrs. Hema,
Hello?
Hema, can you please switch off your mic for some time, please? Thank you.
Thank you, Hema. So, sir, this is the community of the teacher educators, faculty of teachers has to voice out for this, because the teaching and art of teaching and learning, definitely in engineering or whatever the professional courses may be, if this MEd, the pedagogy is being implemented, definitely will have a landmark achievement. So it is in the hands of all of us. That is my humble suggestion, sir. We need to voice out for it.
Yeah, there are a lot of others, but one I want to just make.
Yes.
This question is from Mrs. Bushra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you. You can please ask Bushra on your side.
Ma'am, I have a question. Good morning, teachers.
Good morning. Yes,
How can
Bushra.
we evaluate our own learning? What are we learning nowadays in our offline classes and online mode? Was it purposeful for us or not? Because teachers give us marks, and on that basis, how can we decide that we are in a good way or somewhere like that?
Yeah,
Can you share,
Bushra,
like-
this is a very good question, Bushra, because how do you evaluate your learning? If your teacher is giving an eye opening, what you will do your assignment, right? Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
You will do your assignment by referring one author. For example, if any assignment is given to you from your mentor or your teacher, you will refer one author and you will finish that assignment. That is a simple way of doing things. But if you refer one Western author, one Eastern author, and in one philosophical phase and one in psychological phases, your knowledge will upgrade, and you can easily evaluate whether your understanding and your construction of knowledge is taking in the right path or not. You can evaluate. And one more thing, and if you evaluate, you need to discuss with someone who's like in a position of your mentor or teacher. That will definitely help you. If you talk extra about your subject content, your teacher will enjoy. And your teacher, oh, my child is having this much of knowledge, I have to at least I have to get construct another bricks of knowledge. He or she will try to develop. So this is what both the sides learning will occurs, and it will improve. So through this you can evaluate on yourself. Please don't stop with one author or one publications. Please do it in different. This will help you.
Okay, ma'am, I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Yugin.
Thank you.
If you have time to answer, there is another question, from Mrs. Hema Ganapati
Please, sir.
from Salem. She is
Yes.
working there in the Department of Education. She has asked about, do you think that the 21st learners possess this in higher education? Maybe I'll read
Yes.
the whole question. As teachers
Yes.
have professional ethics and commitment, whereas it is $1 million question of commitment and ethics from learners part 2. Do you think that 21st learners possess this?
Hello, Hema. Nice to see you on this platform, Hema. Thank you so much for a mind-blowing question. And one thing I would like to say, as professional ethics, a teacher is a teacher. Whether you are forcefully come into this profession or somebody force you to come into or on your own, you're engaged as a teacher, automatically, like how அம்மா ஆயிட்டா அம்மாக்குரிய விஷயங்கள் நம்ம கிட்ட வந்துரும். டீச்சரா விரும்பாம வந்தா கூட definitely, and the ethics of commitment of a teacher, not to 100%, at least to 60%. If you stand in the position of a teacher, that will come in Indian context. I'm sure about it, because our subject is built on philosophy and individual psychology, and everything is for the society. இந்த மூணு விஷயமும் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு தான் பிஎட்ல படிச்சுட்டு வரோம். ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி நீங்க 100% டீச்சர் ஆகலைன்னா கூட ஒரு குழந்தை பிறந்துச்சுன்னா அம்மாவா தான் இருப்பாங்க கண்டிப்பா, எவ்வளவு மாடர்ன் மம்மியா இருந்தாலும். அந்த மாதிரி கிளாஸ் ரூமுக்கு போயிட்டு டீச்சர் ஆயிட்டோம்னா கமிட்மெண்ட் டெஃபினட்டா வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அது 21st century இல்ல, 22nd ஆனாலும் 25th century ஆனாலும் வரும். பிகாஸ் அ டீச்சர் மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம். So guru always stand as a guru. Of course, there may be variation of the percentage, but the commitment definitely hold with the gurus, and no doubt. And about the learners, all the 5 fingers are not alike, right? Some people are good learners. Some people they'll come for the degree sake, as we discussed earlier, and some people take it for life. Though they are not able to continue for in terms of courses, they will take whatever we taught for their life. So this is not this is no doubt. It's not only for 21st century it is mandatory or not. All teachers and learners classroom குள்ள வந்தாலே வரும். அப்படி அப்போ வரலைன்னா கூட ஒரு ஆஃப்டர் இன் தேர் லைஃப் டைம், அதுதான் மாடிஃபிகேஷன் ஆஃப் பிஹேவியர். ஐ ட்ரஸ்ட் இன் தட். முடிச்ச பிறகு கூட எத்தனையோ பேர் நம்ம லைஃப் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல வேஸ்ட் பண்றவங்களாம் தே வில் டாக் அபவுட் ஆஃப்டர் தட் தே வில் நல்ல சான்ஸ் மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன்னுட்டு. நான் ஸ்டூடெண்டா இருக்கிறப்போ ஐ மிஸ் மை கோல்டன் opportunity. This is the one thing that will hurt them if the learner hasn't do their duty. So it is not for 21st century. As much as centuries till the human race stands in this world, the teacher, learner, genuineness and commitment, it may be differs in the percentage may differs, but they will stand as a gurus. And these learners, different people carries different percentage of benefits.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You,
as we started by time, it's a duty to close by time. Thank you very much. I think, shall we conclude, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. With all means, sir, because as a teacher, we need to maintain time.
Sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, I invite Dr. Mohan Kumar, sir, a guiding spirit, the pillar behind all the planning, the systematic planning and execution of all the wonderful seminars happening here. I invite Dr. Mohan Kumar, sir, to please present the vote of thanks. Sir,
thanks,
please,
Prabhu. Thanks,
Thank you, sir.
A very good afternoon to all. On the outset, I would like to thank our respected principal IASC Saidapet, Dr. G. Krishnan, for his thought-provoking and valuable presidential address. I thank Dr. Mrs. Eugene Rosita, Assistant Professor of Education, University of Madras, for her eloquent speech on pedagogy in education is learning based on self-determination. Madam explains the salient features of self-determination, the philosophical, psychological, and sociological aspects of self-determination were very well explained by Madam. Thank you very much, Madam, for the spontaneous answers given by you for the questions raised by the participants. I also thank the faculty members of IASC and other colleges and universities, the faculty members, research colleges of our institution and other institutions. My special thanks goes to Dr. Prabhu Shankar, Dr. Shegar, and Mr. Dharmaraju for making this program a successful one. Once again, I would like to thank each and everyone present here. Thank you very much.
My
Thank you,
special
sir.
thanks. My special
Yeah.
thanks to Principal Sir, Prabhu Shankar Sir, and the
Thank
team of IAC, or to all the faculty members and the colleagues who posted questions, and to the scholars. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We wish you a very great future in University of Madras. Thank you.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the wonderful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Shegar, sir. Thank you, sir. Please. Thank you. Mr. Dharma. Thank you, Dharma. Thank you.
Dharmaraj Mohan sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, Dharmaraj. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot
thanks.
for your technical support.
Yeah. Thank you, all the professors who have joined us. Thank you, all the research scholars and all the participants who have joined us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Eamon.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. We will wait in the chat box. If the participants have any queries, you can please post. We are here to answer you for the next 10 minutes. Any questions with regard to feedback link, maybe the certificate that you're going to receive, anything? We'll be here for the next 10 minutes. Kindly post your queries, please. Dharma, Roma, thanks. Thanks for making it happen. Thank you so much, Dharma. Thank you.